What's going on this morning, family? Black Feniks checking in. Right now I'm at the gas station. Just got through filling up the truck. About to get ready to go make a move. And I just wanted to give a small update because a few people asked me about my truck and about me utilizing it to kill several birds in one stone. This is a work truck. And it's also, you know, a daily truck. I made it 2-in-1. Beefed it up just a little bit to, you know, to do the things I need to do with it, but I don't believe in having a show truck. You know, I hear people say, oh man, I got a show truck. I don't believe in that. Everything is work. If it's not making me money, then it's costing me money. So it got to make me some money. That's just the way I look at it. I used to be the point where I get around and I want to have things that's nice all the time, but now I'm not messed up about that. I'm all about making money. If it's making me money, because in this life we got bills to pay. So if it's paying some bills and it's keeping me afloat, then I'm down for it. But if it's not, then it's a waste of money. That's just my personal opinion. But that's how I get my hog on. Black Feniks.